Okay, here's one of the tanks with a few snakes in it at the Nature Center at Maumee Bay State Park. These are fox snakes, I think. I don't know, the girls here like to handle them and let them crawl all around them, and I'm not going to hold them. Thank you very much. The other one's over here sleeping in the corner. We're just staying pretty still. This guy's been moving around all morning. And what else we got going on here? Snapping turtles. Really small one down there. And let's see. Oh yeah, we got some stuffed animals. Hey, there's a groundhog for Groundhog's Day today. A red fox. And this owl is a screech owl. And yes, he's alive. And in there, just very still usually. Oh, there he's moving with me. What's up, buddy? And we got a northern water snake. Get real close to him. And what else we got going around here? A couple more stuffed animals. We got some turtles and fish in this display. That guy's pretty big. Midland painted turtle. And a couple really pretty mellow turtles up here that you can handle. They take out for the kids and whatnot. Cool stuff. It's an eastern box turtle, it says. And I forget their names. Maumee Bay Nature Center.